Welcome! If you're looking to update your social links on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to change your social link so your audience can always find you on your other platforms. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu with your profile and pages. Next, select the page you want to edit. After you've entered your page, look for the About section. This is where all your basic information is stored, including your contact details and social links. Click on About to continue. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Contact and Basic Info. Here, you'll see your current social links displayed. Right next to Social Link, there's a small edit icon, usually a pencil or something similar. Click on this edit icon to make changes. You'll now be able to add a new social link, update an existing one, or remove any links you no longer want displayed. Simply type in the correct information, making sure the link is accurate so your followers can reach you without any issues. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial to ensure all your updates are applied and visible to your audience. After saving, your new social link will be live on your page for everyone to see. And that's it! You've successfully updated your social link on your Facebook page using the app on your PC. Keeping your contact info up to date helps your followers connect with you across all your platforms. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials for the latest social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.